In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drop-down menus to your Shopify navigation bar. This is a great way to streamline your site's navigation, improve user experience, and help your visitors quickly find what they're looking for. So, let's dive right in and transform your Shopify store's navigation bar with these simple steps. First, we'll begin by accessing the management tools for your Shopify store. On your Shopify admin panel, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find the option labeled Content. Give it a click, and you'll be greeted with a range of options to manage your site's content. Next, zero in on the section titled Menus. This is where we'll create the structural hierarchy for your drop-downs, essentially assembling an intuitive path for your visitors to follow. Once you're in the Menus section, look for the main menu option. The main menu is typically the primary navigation bar visitors see when they land on your site, and it's the perfect place to begin incorporating drop-down menus for a more organized layout. Now comes the fun part, creating that drop-down menu. To begin, identify the parent navigation item under which you want your drop-down menu to appear. Think of the parent item as the main category or topic that houses related options. You're going to drag this parent item across the interface, setting the stage for its role as a drop-down. After establishing the parent item, it's time to add some detail with child menu items. These are the individual options that will appear beneath the parent when visitors hover over it. Simply drag your desired menu options directly below the parent item and nudge them to the right. This small but essential move indicates that these items are children, effectively turning them into drop-down items. Once you've positioned everything to your satisfaction, it's crucial to save your work. This final step ensures that all the structural tweaks and content refinements you've made are safely stored. To do this, find the Save button and click on it to lock in your changes. The last thing you want to do is confirm that everything looks and functions just as you envisioned. After saving, refresh your Shopify site by navigating to your store's front end. Check to see your drop-down menus in action by hovering over the parent item. You should see the child menu items neatly dropping down, giving a polished and professional navigation touch to your online store. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a drop-down menu to your Shopify navigation bar. This feature is bound to enhance user experience, making your site more navigable and aesthetically coherent. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Keep experimenting with different configurations to see what best suits your needs. Until next time.